Okay, guys, affiliate traffic commando. You can see here I've got a V4 because I've updated this multiple times and had multiple variations of it. Now, the interesting thing about this is it was built completely by prompting and using a combination of two different AI models. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through how this works. So I've already filled in the information here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do mass page building, okay, mass page building with this tool for affiliate marketing. So first we put in some details like product name, creator, product type, etc. Okay, we can choose a tone. Now, this will be getting some updates as well. I just needed to get this first version, first working version out. Okay, so product description. What I've done here is I've copied and pasted all of the copy from the sales page. Plus, I put that into ChatGPT, told it to give me 5 benefits, okay, and 5 objections as well. So I basically put all of that into here. Okay, I've just done that via a simple TXT file where I put everything in there for easy copy and paste later. Okay, so here, and you can see we got the modifiers that we can use: review, bonus, beginner friendly, etc. Target audience, beginners to advertising, which is what this really is. Okay, now the price point, I think it's gone up now to $57, so I need to fix that. Okay, $57, it's gone up $10, and I believe there's only a few hours. It might even be over. I'm not even sure. It's already the 28th. I think the launch is over. So if you didn't purchase this already from my link, you're too late. Okay, you're just too late. But I will be selling this for $97. Okay, good news. You can purchase it for $97 afterwards. Okay, so affiliate link we can put in here, and also copywriting frameworks. Now I'm going to be adding more in here. Initially, I had it do 15 different copywriting, 15 different headline generations from each of these copywriting frameworks. And I actually had about 12 of these as well. Okay, I will re-add these back in now. I've got a really good working version. Okay, so AI provider, we can choose OpenAI, we can choose Anthropic, which is Claude. So I'm just going to go with AI provider, GPT-4 model, and I've put in here the Pexels API key. Okay, so we're going to keep this really simple. And I've simplified this a lot, but still maintained the core features of what it does. So what I'm going to do is click on generate headlines. And you can see down the bottom, there's a progress bar that I put in here. And this will start to move across. It does the same when it's generating articles as well. And you notice as well that we've got in here that we can post into WordPress. Okay, I've already tested, it's already working. There's some improvements can be done with the content that I'm going to put in here. But now that I've finally got a really good working version, I can start to really focus on the quality. Okay, so now we can see these different headlines. Look what happens here. If I click on select all headlines, assign, auto assign silos, it tells you which one, which headline belongs to which copywriting framework. Now I'm going to take that further as well so that we can do it by intent. Okay, so you will have this option and an extra button here to do it by intent. Why? Because if I go and checkbox some of these, okay, just randomly checkboxing some right now for purpose of demonstration, but if I go and checkbox some of these according to search intent, then we can go and create categories like silos within one category of different articles that we can create. Now, we are building this and we are using this for affiliate marketing. Okay, this means that we can dominate a product as far as the topical authority is concerned by having multiple categories based around different angles and search intent, okay, or intent within the sales journey, okay. And that means that we can go and create these, post them into websites in just a few clicks, okay. And so we can really dominate. You can literally post hundreds of articles. Okay, it's not going to do hundreds at one time, but you can do it with each campaign that you run. Once this campaign is finished, I can just come back up here and change my checkboxes. Okay, and once that is done, then I can go and run it again. Okay, very quick, very easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate the articles. Notice that I haven't put in here yet my WordPress posting. I'm going to do that in the next step. Okay, so let's just generate the articles. And again, you can see we got the progress bar, tells you what's happening down the bottom. So while this is going to generate the articles, I'm going to pause the video as the end of part 1, okay? Because this can take a little while. You can see we got the progress here. So I will come back. I will do a second live stream, okay, which is going to be part 2.